There is something you need to know about this lotion before you start using it. Keep watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Red Down Diva Skincare. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. Please feel free to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified each time I drop a new video. And to my old subscriber guys, so guys, our online training class is still open. Yes, we are taking students and we are going to be giving it back to back. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you these lotions due to popular demand, because I see some people don't want to buy skincare products. They just want to mix their own product at home, like they want to mix something into something to use on their skin. Yeah, it's good to be in a safer side. Yeah, so guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you these three lotions that you can actually use on your skin. Not just use it on your skin, you can actually promise it. Okay, you can promise these lotions and you can use them on your skin. So guys, I'm going to be starting with the first lotion, which is the City. This cream. I think I have done this review before. I really don't know, but some people are still asking me. So this lotion is very good. You can use this alone on your skin, and it's just going to, you don't just expect that sharp lightening. No, if you just want to keep it simple, like keep it gentle on your skin, you can go for this one. And let me tell you something guys, this lotion is really thick. You really need to mix this lotion. So you have to look for a good serum, or you look for a good lightening oil to mix with this lotion, so that you can really have the effect on your skin, not just having the effect on your skin, so that this lotion can easily absorb into your skin. You know, sometimes when the lotion is too thick, it gets very hard to absorb into your skin, and when your product is not absorbing into your skin, forget it is not doing its job. Okay, it is not doing its job. So let me tell you how you know that a lotion is not absorbing to your skin. So there are some lotions that you're going to apply on your skin. You will be massaging. It will look as if you're rubbing body wash or soap. You know, if you're applying soap on your skin, you see those white stuff. Yeah, some lotions are like that. You will be massaging. You will still be seeing those white stuff. You will massage that kind of lotion or cream. You will know that it's not absorbing to your skin quickly, so, and it's not going to really do its job quickly. But there are this cream and lotion, once you just apply it, just one rub, it disappears. Your skin takes it in. So for this lotion, you really need to add something to it because it is really thick, but it's really nice. Okay, this lotion is nice if you want to go just simple lightening, and you can mix this lotion with skin free milk. You can also mix this with what is it called, beauty series oil. And if you have spots on your skin, you can mix this with egg yolk serum. Okay, you can mix this with egg yolk serum. Guys, if you are mixing this with egg yolk serum, make sure that you're adding in extra lightening oil so that this cream can loosen up a little bit, because it is very strong. So it is called a City Plus lotion. I think this City Plus lotion, they also have the carrot. I really don't know, but this one I have been using this one. Okay, and if you want to buy this, I do sell this. Okay guys, so this is really nice. Okay, I'm giving you this review with my full chest. My full chest guys. Go and use this lotion and come and thank me later. I'm talking to those people that are always asking me what to use. I'm telling you now, go and use this one though, but make sure that you're adding something to it, right? So the next one is the Rapid White Carrot Cream. This cream is nice though, guys. It is nice. And when it comes to the lightening effects between these two, the lightening effect between these two, that will tell you this one lightens more. This very cream you're seeing, this very lotion you're seeing lightens more. So you can also use this one if you want to go extra. Like you want to go extra. And one thing I'm still going to tell you about this lotion, it is quite, should I say it is thick or it is too runny? It's not too runny, it's not too thick. But one thing about this lotion, anything you add to this lotion, it will just loosen up. Like this lotion, if you have skin free mix serum into this lotion, like you want to mix it, it will loosen up. I have added lots of things into this lotion. The lotion will just loosen up. So I'm still trying to find out what is wrong with this lotion. According to the ingredients here, it is made with carrot extract. Yeah, just carrot extract. They only wrote carrot extract here, antioxidants, just carrot extract. So I really do not know why I mix it with serum and the thing will just turn like water. So that's just it. If you want to use this alone, guys, go and use it alone. It is nice. But if you want to mix it, the cream is going to loosen up. Maybe I still need to try some few serums because I've been adding a skin free milk to this lotion, and it will just loosen up somehow. So what I normally do, then I will use xanthan gum to thicken it back. So if you like a runny lotion, you can use this one, mix it up with any serum of your choice, and then you are good to go. So this is one cream that you are still going to get the real benefit. Is more like, this one is more powerful than this one. So I don't know, according to your skin type. So maybe some people will say this one is more stronger, but for me, I say this one is more stronger than this one because I have used this one. I have used this one for promising and for promising. This one is more stronger. So guys, let's go to the next one. So the other one is Carlo Rapid. You know, so we all know Carlo White cream, right? So I'm still trying to figure out if this cream is Carlo White cream or I really don't know, but it is called Carlo Rapid Lightening cream. This cream is also good. So I will say, if you're using this one, no need of using this one again, because it is one company that's made this two cream. And for me, I believe the same product they poured, the same lotion they poured inside this container, that is what they also poured inside this container, because they have the same smell, they have the same texture. I swear, they have the same texture. And if you have serum to this one also, it is still going to loosen up. So this one is also made with this one is milk. This one is milk, moisturizing milk. So this cream, sometimes I don't even understand. They will not even write anything, like nothing. They do not write what they use in making them. So my sister, I don't know what to say. I don't know what is inside, but I know the cream is nice. If you promise it and you rub it on your skin, it's nice. Just that there are some serums you're going to add to it. It will just loosen up. So once this product loosen up, all you do is to add xanthan gum to thicken it the bag. Most people do use these ones to do promising cream and sell, and it is really, really good. Okay, so guys, like I said before, use this cream on your skin, is nice. Use this one on your skin, is nice. And this one also, this one is nice. And this one said contact the hydroquinone. This one have hydroquinone inside though. This one have hydroquinone inside. It is written there in French. There's hydroquinone inside. But this one, there's nothing. I don't know if they added hydroquinone inside. This one, there's hydroquinone. So I don't know why this lotion is stronger than this lotion. So I believe they added hydroquinone here and other stuff. These two lotions, I believe they added hydroquinone to it, but they did not write no specific, like these are the ingredients they use in making them. These are the ingredients they use in making them. Nothing like that. So guys, maybe you can just go for this one. I can guarantee that this one is good, it's gentle on the skin. And even if you use like 5 serums to mix this lotion, it is still going to be kind of thick. Okay, so for these two, they are nice. You can just use it alone, or if you want to mix, choose a very thick serum to mix it up with it. So guys, that is it. I hope this video is helpful for those of you that have been asking me what you want to use. So these are the things that you can use. These are the things that you can use, and I will be showing you guys what you can also use on your facial cream, because most people do make this mistake. They always use their body lotion on their face. It is really bad, guys. Don't be staging. Body lotion is body lotion. Face cream is face cream. Face cream is face cream. It is written here, body. Face cream is face cream. Body lotion is body lotion. The day you start using your body lotion on your face, you start to do your skin more harm. Okay, guys? So I'm going to see you guys in my other next video, guys. Peace out. I love you all. Bye.